Dear students, last class we are discussing regarding the amines. In that amine introduction part, what are amines, then structure of amine, and one more classification of amines. Now we will move for the nomenclature of what amines. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನಾಮಕರಣ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ amines ಗೆ will start with the nomenclature or ನಾಮಕರಣ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. Okay, now we will start with the amines. Amines are having the ammonia derivative. Okay, ammonia derivative, and in a organic chemistry part, what is that? Nomenclature having particular rules. There are two names are there for any functional group. Okay, one is common name, and one more IUPAC name. Okay, so that is IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ most ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು IUPAC nomenclature, but we should glance regarding the what common name also. What the common name? Common name, it may be not an exact name. Okay, rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗುದಲ್ಲ. That may be the origin, that may be substitution. ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ common name ಬರ್ತದೆ. In amines, okay, I will take a general example amine as RNH2. Okay, RNH2. Now it's in primary amine, or RNH, or secondary amine, RNR. This is a tertiary amine. For this, always common name start with a, it is an alkyl or aryl group. R should be alkyl or aryl group. In a common name, the starting letter should be alkyl. Okay, starting letter should be alkyl, and end with the amines. This is about what? Common name. Okay, common name ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? alkyl is a substitution. ಏನು substitution ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, and end with the amines. For example, CH3NH2. Now it is in primary amine, that's okay. Now CH3, what is name? It is an alkyl. Which alkyl? It is an methyl. Methyl, and this group should be amine. So the name, common name becomes methylamine. It should be methylamine. Again, one more example. CH3CH2NH2. Now again, it's also amine, and which is an alkyl. ಯಾವುದು? CH2 CH3 is an alkyl, so NH2 is an amine. CH2 CH3 it becomes ethyl. 2 carbon idre eth, and ethyl is a substitution amine. Ethyl amine is the common name for that. In case more than or primary ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ alkyl plus amine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Next, what is that? Secondary and tertiary. Secondary and tertiary ಬಂದ್ರೆ by using di or tri. For example, NCH3 hydrogen. Okay, now it is in secondary amine, and both are what? Methyl. So the name becomes what is that? dimethylamine, or N ಗೆ ಎರಡು methyl ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, N and dimethylamine, or you can say N, N dimethylamine is the common name for what? Amines. Now I will move for the IUPAC nomenclature. This is very important for exam also. Okay, last year, that means 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವುದರದ್ದು? IUPAC nomenclature basis ಮೇಲೆ. Now we'll move for the IUPAC nomenclature. Here there are three major parts are there, that is prefix, word root, and suffix. Already we studied in a first PUC ಅಲ್ಲಿ study ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ prefix, word root, and suffix. Here amine is a functional group, always it comes at the suffix. Amine is a functional group, always it comes at the suffix. Then prefix should be any substitution, that may be chloro, bromo, methyl, like that. So what is the word root? Longest carbon chain present in a organic compound. Longest carbon atom present in a organic compound. Here suffix ಹೇಗೆ introduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So for example, alkane is there. Alkane. Okay, it is an alkane. will substituted with the amine functional group, then this E replaces by amine. That's it. Okay, common name alli enu alkyl amine, but here alkane amine. Alkane adre, if it is alkane, it becomes alkane. E replaces by amine. Oval barlikilla, eradu oval ottige barlikilla. So now we'll start with the one by one. Okay, I will take an example. CH3 NH2. Here what is that? First we'll concentrate on word root. Word root means what? Longest carbon chain present in an organic compound. Here carbon iruvantadu matra consider madbeku. Only one carbon is present, so it is an meth, right? And primary suffix should be ane, ene or ine. Alkane, alkene or alkyne. Now here it is an ane only. And there is no other substitution. Directly go for functional group. Is the functional group? Amine is the functional group. So E can replace us by amine. So methane amine is the IUPAC nomenclature of what? This compound, and common name enagtade, it become methylamine. Methylamine is the common name. And while writing the nomenclature, illi kuda capital letter ne use madlikkilla. Starting letter matra capital, then entire concept should be small letter only. Now we'll discuss some more examples one by one. First we'll move for common name, then move for the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, but the common name for this, here amine group is there, NH2, and primary amine. If the primary amine is present, by using alkyl only. So here which alkyl is present? How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2. If 2 carbon atom is present, that becomes eth. Eth prefix as ethyl and amine. Ethyl amine is the common name for this compound. Either a common name ethylamine. Now we'll move for the IUPAC nomenclature. Just once see the given compound. What is that? Amine is there and red should be the alkyl group. There is no substitution. Yavade substitution kuda ee compound alli illa. Okay, so hagadre what is the nomenclature? IUPAC nomenclature, it becomes, there are 2 carbon atom, it becomes eth. There is no secondary suffix and tertiary suffix. Secondary means what? A double bond present irbeku. Tertiary anta helidre triple bond irbeku. Now primary suffix, here ane only. There is no double bond and triple bond present, so ane is an primary suffix. Now amine is a functional group. Always it comes at the end. Amine bandaga ಏನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು? E-na ತೆಗೆದು amine introduce ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, that is ethane amine is the IUPAC nomenclature. Ethyl amine is the common nomenclature. Now we'll move for the next one. It's similar with the first one, but what is the difference here? Only 1 carbon is extra. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So common name enagtade? What is the common name for this compound? Propyl. Or long chain carbon, we can say N. Straight chain idre, you can say N propyl. And amine is an last ಗೆ add ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. N propyl amine, it is an common name, but we want what? Actual nomenclature, that is IUPAC nomenclature. What is that? Longest carbon chain, that is word root should be prop. Is it right? 3 carbon is present, prop. And is there any double bond from 1 to 3? And while giving the number is important agudilla, because amine only 1 functional group is there. If that more than 1 is there, then the numbering is fact. Here what is that? Numbering start from here only, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so closest to the functional group, yava functional group ide close agiruvanta carbon ಗೆ you should give the number 1. Prop is the word root, and primary suffix should be ane, ene or ine. Here ane is an primary suffix, but ane barda takshana e na cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? amine is a functional group. There is no vowels comes in a same way. ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಎರಡು ಓವೆಲ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ IUPAC nomenclature. Propane amine is the IUPAC nomenclature. Next we'll move for the next example. What is that? So here, what is the common name for this compound? What is the common name for this compound? Lower classes or first year you already studied 1 2 3. Okay, longest carbon chain ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ functional group ಗೆ minimum number ಬರಬೇಕು. So I'll start with the here. If it is an parent chain, now first carbon second carbon should having the methyl group ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು isopropyl ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Isopropyl, it's an isopropyl. So alkyl should be isopropyl and common name ali isopropyl amines. Isopropyl amine is an common name. Okay, first year study ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಏನು second carbon ಗೆ ಅದರ functional group substitution present ಇದೆ, that compound becomes isopropyl. Isopropyl ಗೆ ಏನು substitute ಆಗಿದೆ, that should be amine. So isopropyl amine. In terms of what nomenclature ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, here give the number in any direction. Longest carbon chain should get substitution. Here 1 2 3. You can go through the another direction also, 1 2 3, both are become same. So second carbon having substitutions, right? Sorry, second carbon having substitution, but that substitution should be what? Functional group. So that functional group should taken in a suffix only. But first we'll move for the what here word root. What is the word root? Prop is a word root. And is there any double bond, triple bond present in this? No, there is no double bond, triple bond like that. So an is an suffix. An is an primary suffix and amine is present, but the amine present at where? Second carbon. E can replace us and second carbon having the amine, so 2 amine. Okay, prop 2 amine अथवा 2 propane amine, both are same. Okay, 2 propane amine. This is the IUPAC name as well as common name. Common name isopropyl amine and IUPAC nomenclature propane 2 amine or 2 propane amine. Next we'll move for the one more example. Here which kind of amine it is? It is an secondary amine because carbon 2 hydrogen replaces by the 2 substitutions and 1 hydrogen remain as it is. Now it's in secondary. Illi nomenclature ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, again rule is the same. What is that? Longest carbon chain. Here in this direction it having only 1 carbon, other direction it having 2 carbons. Is it right? So 2 carbon is present, so longest carbon chain becomes this only, not the methyl group. Okay, so word root ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, eth. Is it right? Word root is an eth and amine is a functional group, that's okay, but that amine having substitution. Recall once again, IUPAC nomenclature having 3 part: prefix, word root and suffix. Suffix should be functional group or an, in, ein. Word root should be any one longest carbon chain. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ prefix ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, rest of other two, word root and suffix ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ prefix. So now this methyl becomes a prefix. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ prefix ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, how to write the prefix? So methyl group present or attached to the what? Amines. Amine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು? there is a nitrogen. So methyl, or you can write nitrogen should be substituted, n-methyl. It is an prefix word. Word root ಏನು? eth. Primary suffix an. E can be replaced by amine. It is an IUPAC nomenclature. Here what is that? N-methyl ethane amine. N-methyl is an prefix, eth is an word root, an is an primary suffix, amine is the secondary or functional group suffix. So common name ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, methyl and ethyl both are present. According to what nomenclature rule alphabetical order la maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ethyl methyl amine, ethyl methyl amine, ethyl methyl amine is the nomenclature, common name for this, and this is an IUPAC nomenclature. This is an IUPAC nomenclature. Next we'll move for one more example. Now it is an tertiary amine. Now it is an tertiary amine. First I'll write the common name. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ first IUPAC ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ common name ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. But here I'll write the common name first. What the common name? There are 3 methyl groups are there. I already told same substitution more than one times is there, you should use di or tri. Now here 3 is there. Trimethyl amine is the common name for this compound. And what is the IUPAC nomenclature? So first you consider the longest carbon chain. Here how many carbon atoms are there? Only one. Here only one, and here also only one. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ methane is an word root, right? Meth is an word root, and rest two. Okay, if we consider this methane is a word root, these two are becomes what? Substitution, same as the before example. Okay, so nitrogen ಗೆ direct ಆಗಿ substitution ಇದೆ, but how many methyl groups are there? 2 methyl groups are there. You should use N, N. Okay, N, N hyphen. How many methyl group? 2. N, N dimethyl. N, N dimethyl. And word root should be meth only. Word root should be meth only. For this there is no double bond. N is an suffix, and amine. Amine is the general name. Okay, N dimethyl. Methane amine is the IUPAC nomenclature. Trimethyl amine is an common nomenclature. Now we'll move for the next. Now this what different, somewhat different compared with the first two. Here double bond is there, and one more functional group is there. Double bond kuda ide, functional group kuda ide. Here nomenclature start from here itself. Okay, nomenclature start from here itself. 1 2 3. Okay, or one more direction. 1 2 3. Okay, according to lowest locant rule. According to lowest locant rule, first we'll write the what? Common name, common nomenclature. What the functional group it is? Either name allyl. It's called as an allyl group. Allyl means what? If the alkene having methane or one more methane group substitute to the double bond carbon, that having the substitution, that are known as what? Allyl amine. Can directly say allyl amine is the common name for this compound. And what the IUPAC nomenclature? What the IUPAC nomenclature? How many carbon atoms are there? How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. Then it becomes probe. Okay, then it becomes probe, and there is an double bond that comes in a primary suffix. So probe 1 2. Functional group lowest number go in this direction. 1 2 3. So 2 ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? In ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, what is that? In represent double bond. Okay, so 2 in 1 amine. In this case we can't skip E. Only in the case of alkane only, not in the alkene. Alkene ali ina as it is baribeku, and here 1 amine. Understood? Here numbering start from here itself, because functional group get lower number 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So second carbon double bond start agide, and longest carbon chain becomes probe. Primary suffix becomes 2 in and 1 amine. Okay, this regarding the aliphatic amines. Aliphatic in the sense longest carbon chain. Okay, now we'll move for what? Aromatic compounds. Aromatic in the sense what? That consist of benzene. Benzene present idre. Okay, so idike common name, and you know the common name for this benzene in the amine group, that is aniline. Aniline is the common name. What is the IUPAC nomenclature? What is the IUPAC nomenclature? Here already we discussed in a introduction class. Here what is the substitution present? Benzene. Is it right? Benzene is the substitution for amine group. Hydrogen replaces by benzene. So we can easily write benzene is a substitution. Benzene amine. Benzene amine is the IUPAC nomenclature for this compound, and common name should becomes aniline. Okay. Next example, that is what? Benzene with having amine as well as methyl group. Okay, methyl group present ಇದೆ, amine kuda present ಇದೆ. What is the common name for this compound? Okay, here aniline, because benzene having the one amine group, that is aniline, but here common name becomes toluidine. Common name becomes toluidine. And you know, in the first year there's a nomenclature based on the base compounds for the benzene itself. Okay, aniline, anisole, phenol, and one more toluene. Okay, but here ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಈಗ amines ಮೇಲೆ. Amines ಮೇಲೆ ಆದ್ರೆ it becomes what? Aniline. Okay, aniline having substitution, where the substitution is present in a second. Okay, so the name becomes methyl aniline. Methyl is an substitution, aniline is an compound, aniline. Okay, aniline is the base compound. Methyl aniline is the nomenclature, or we can write one more name is there based on the priorities. Based on the priorities here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more 6. Anti-clockwise direction is the correct one. Anti-clockwise direction is the correct one. Here toluene is a base compound now. Toluene is a base compound now. So 2-amine toluene. 2-amine toluene, that also possible, but now only concentrate ಮಾಡೋದು methyl aniline. Okay, methyl aniline. And next we'll move for the last one. Okay, here the common name ಏನು ಬೇಕಂತ directly we'll move for the IUPAC nomenclature only. but ನಿಮಗೆ exam ಗೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು only IUPAC nomenclature. Here it should expand this. ಇದನ್ನ expand ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. What is that? Here benzene, right, as it is, that's okay, but nitrogen having two groups, or nitrogens are trivalency, so already one bond bonded with the benzene. Rest two are what? N having CH3, 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 CH3. I write directly. In case these two methyl group replaces by the hydrogen, then it becomes aniline. Is it right? Then here also methyl hydrogen replaced by methyl group, so that will taken as substitution, right? N comma N, N comma N. Next you should use what? Di, because two methyl group, dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline. Aniline ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು? It becomes aniline in case ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ it becomes aniline, but hydrogen replaces by methyl group, that will taken as substitution what? N comma N, dimethyl aniline. So this is what nomenclature part, and we will give some more examples in the next class as a homework. Okay, so read well and check some more examples whatever you got in a textbook. Okay, thank you.